If you have a newer phone that has edge-to-edge screen and you're watching YouTube in a landscape mode, you see something like this. It's a nice 16:9 aspect ratio, but it leaves these two black bars on the side. But have you ever noticed how lately some of your favorite YouTubers such as MKHD has been able to go from the traditional 16:9 to a really super wide aspect ratio to try to fill up most of the screen without you adjusting any setting on your phone? It's actually really simple. All you have to do is stick around. I'm gonna show you how. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to upload your YouTube videos in a super wide aspect ratio like MKHD's new video style. It is actually so simple, I'm not even going to show you how to do it on the screen. All we need to do is change the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 18:9. The problem is your camera or your software does not have any preset for that aspect ratio. So we have to do the math, and I'm about to show you what that number is. All right, so the math is pretty straightforward. Normally at Full HD, we are shooting at 1920 by 1080. And that is our traditional 16:9 aspect ratio that we have. So we're trying to shoot at 18:9 instead. Now we can go beyond 1920 because that's what we're shooting in our camera at Full HD. So we're going to keep 1920 and we're going to solve for X, and X is equal 960. So basically all we need to do, change our dimensions in our sequence or in our project to 1920 by 960, and that way we will get 18:9 aspect ratio. So that's it. So go back and change your sequence setting or project setting to 1920 by 960 instead of 1920 by 1080. That way you will get that super wide aspect ratio. Now you want to keep in mind, because in your camera when you're shooting in either 4K or 1080p Full HD, you're shooting at 16:9, which means if you go to this ratio, you're going to crop a little bit from the top and bottom of your video. So this was it guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what type of content are you uploading, and do you find this aspect ratio useful for your videos? Or if you simply watch YouTube and don't create any content, do you prefer this wider aspect ratio? And full disclosure, what you guys saw in the beginning, obviously that was just an illusion. I'd already shot this video at 1920 by 960. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.